Math is a very controversial subject. Some may see it as the answer to the universe, and others may see it as impractical and useless. So now, we're in the 5th floor to see the different viewpoints of teachers and students on math. What does math mean to you?
I really like that question, and I think that there could be like books written on this because each person's experience of math is so different. But I know for me, I didn't really like math in high school very much. But once I got to college, I really fell in love with math as a process because math is very, very creative. It's about creating and building and taking someone else's ideas and adapting them and taking problems that we can't seem to solve. And all of those things sort of are all intertwined for me in math. It's part of my worldview.
Actually, I really enjoyed math in high school. Once I've understood the logic and I overcame that difficulty, but when I got to college, I think the depth of the mathematics in college didn't interest me as much, whereas Mr. Hamilton, it was opposite. So it was quite interesting that way. It's different experiences, I guess.
I think math is too systematical an approach to things. It sort of takes away the wonder of certain things, like in life and science and everything. When you boil it down to math, it sort of loses the mystique and feeling of wanting to explore for me.
Well, math to me it means more about overcoming a challenge, in that it's really straightforward what you have to know and what you're going to say. And so I take math more of a way to show that I'm prepared, I can attain much, and use it to apply and get answers and get grades.
So it's all about the grade for you.
Yeah, all about the grades. College, yeah.
In 2 standard deviations of the mean, we must have 95%.
So now we heard the opinions of teachers and students. And now we know that the teachers are not here to make us suffer, but instead suggest that math can be fun and enjoyable. Back to you, PTV.